Today in this video we will learn how you can use iPhone emojis on your Android phone. As you know, iPhone emojis are quite attractive and their shapes are very clear. But emojis on Android devices don't look as good. So let's find out how you can use iOS 17.4 emojis on your Android phone. First, open any browser and search for techquiz.com and tap on search option. Next, you will see the TechWiz website. If you don't see it at the stop, scroll down the page, then tap on the TechWiz website. Like I am tapping on the first website, techquiz.com website. Then tap on the search bar here and search for iOS emojis. Like I am tapping on search option. Then you will see the first blog post appear. Then tap on it. Once you are here, look for the keyboard highlighted in blue. Tap on it, then easily install the keyboard. After that, you will be able to use iPhone emojis on your Android phone with ease. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.